meat, a staple in our diets for centuries. But with a growing global population and increasing environmental concerns, we need to rethink our food choices. Enter the world of analog meat, a revolutionary approach to producing meat without the need for traditional animal agriculture. Analog meat, also known as cultured or lab-grown meat, is produced by cultivating animal cells in a laboratory setting. This process involves taking cells from an animal, such as a cow or pig, and growing them in a nutrient-rich environment. As the cells multiply, they form muscle tissue, which can then be processed into meat products like burgers, sausages, and steaks. Analog meat offers a multitude of benefits: environmental impact, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, lower water usage, and less land required for farming. Animal welfare eliminates the need for animal slaughter, promoting ethical food production. Food security provides a sustainable and scalable solution to feed a growing population. Health benefits, potential to reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses and tailor meat products to specific dietary needs. One of the biggest questions surrounding analog meat is its taste. Let's put it to the test. In a recent blind taste test, participants couldn't tell the difference between traditional and lab-grown meat. This demonstrates the potential of analog meat to satisfy our cravings and culinary desires. The future of food is exciting and full of possibilities. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and sustainable ways to produce meat. Analog meat is just the beginning. Imagine a world where we can enjoy delicious, nutritious, and ethical meat without harming the planet. By embracing analog meat, we can create a more sustainable and compassionate food system. It's time to rethink our relationship with food and embrace the future of meat.